I will take you quickly through the ingredients of our smoothie that we are making using oats. We also have dates, which are going to act as our sweetener. In the place of dates, you can use honey, and worst case scenario, you can use sugar, but you're trying to avoid sugar. That's the whole purpose of using the dates here. Then we have bananas and we have peanuts. This is roasted peanuts, the same we used in the banana cake. If you haven't watched that video, please, I ask you to just go to the videos and catch up with that video. It's a very nice one and will elevate your banana bread to a new level. And then for the our liquid today, we are going to use a cup of vanilla yogurt. So this is what we have. I also have some water there, so that in case the consistency of this smoothie is not what I would like, if it is too thick, I can use some boiled water, and that is the water you use for drinking. I can use it so that we can be able to just smoothen it a bit. And then a tip for the oats: if you are able, please soak your oats overnight. It assists to just soften them and ensure that you don't bloat when you take them. So let's go to prepare the ingredients. I'm going to cut up the bananas into small pieces and then de-seed the dates so that they don't destroy the blender once we will be blending. Always start with the liquids once you're putting anything in your blender. It makes it easier and you don't end up with the risk. Let me pull this so that it can be visible. I'm putting the oats now. It's quite simple to prepare this. You can actually do this before you just leave for work and carry it with you. I'll go in with the dates. And finally the peanuts. We have come to the end of our video today, and I'm so happy that I've been able to share this recipe with you. This is very healthy. It's sugar free for anyone avoiding sugar and want something very filling in the morning. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe, share it with your friends, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that when I post this amazing stuff, you don't have to miss and you will see it like ages to come. So be on the lookout. We are having great stuff coming up. In the meantime, I am sure that you can be able to prepare this. Grab some peanuts, grab some dates, easily available in the supermarkets. Actually, like the ones I've used, I bought them in Naivas, and a kg was going for about 58 shillings. Not a kg, they were measuring them in 100 grams. So 100 grams for 58 shillings, and you only need like 10 dates. I think that is quite manageable. Peanut butter, get it. Peanut nuts, get them from outside your homes. I'm sure you have those guys who sell that. And then yogurt you can always grab from the supermarket, and if you know how to make your yogurt at home, you can always do that. So what I'm trying to say is that there are so many options available in our hands whereby we can be able to do healthy things and affordable things right in our homes without it costing us an arm. So thank you and enjoy your day wherever you are.